What? What? What?
He says, "Where's my mommy?"
Where's Mama? Mama's hurting right now. He'll probably try to get up and follow me. He was pretty strong though. Paul made him lay down.
Yeah.
He was pretty strong. Yeah. Yeah. Your belly hurts because you're hungry. Yeah. Baby boy. Yeah. I'm going to have to get you fed in a couple hours. Or you'll be dying. I'll see, I knew if I got up, he was going to get up and try to follow me. You need to lay back down. Oh, you're